Hi, Charles, Fabertec Group and Fabertec Island. Today we are in Ireland, close to Navan, and I would like to show you our first two machines being installed in Ireland. Please follow me. That's the Richie and the team, but in here we have M2 2030. The boys cracking on. Probably next 2 hours is gonna be up and running. No messing about, guys. And then E1 Fabertec, our budget-friendly, few thousand, almost euro, pounds. And
No messing
no
about.
messing
The
about.
boys are on the ball. I'm
Yeah.
not even messing. Serious operation. Get in
Get on,
contact with them.
get.
Serious-
Come
get
on, come on in
contact.
here, guys.
Look at this.
More.
Look, and what?
What else you can ask for?
Never mind this.
Oh, yeah. Festool,
you know you
Fabertec,
want it. You know
they
you
don't even know. They already in collaboration with us.
Absolutely,
So yeah, give us a shout. 8 clients popping in today, tomorrow?
Yeah, between today and tomorrow, yeah. So the more the merrier. If you want to call down, give Charles a shout, and
Yeah,
you're more than welcome in.
possibly, in next 2-3 weeks, another 8 machines in Ireland, yeah?
Absolutely, yeah. Absolutely. So anybody wants to call in at any stage over the next couple of weeks, couple of months to see the machine up and running, either of the machines up and running, just contact me, and yeah, we'll get you sorted. 100%. Fucking legend.
Yeah.
Legend.
Love you, Richie. See ya, guys. We're gonna definitely update you soon. Cheers, bye.